Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to create a Google chat room or a group chat or a single room chat. So make sure you already activate the Google chat. For example, here you can go to your setting of your Gmail, and then you can see this is chat and meet, and then there is an option of chat here, and then you have to turn on this Google chat instead of classic hangout. After that, you can setting your chat, and then it is your preferences and so on. This is for the notification and so on. Now, how to make the room? You just on the left tab, it's supposed to be the chat. The Google chat is showing up, and then you just click this plus start a chat, and then you can find person or space by typing the email of person. For example, hi at Google, maybe. Perhaps there is an option of hi at Google. Okay, there's nothing. So you have to find your friend or your colleague, what is their emails, and then after that you can also create a group chat for more than one person you want to chat. You can click a group like this. I have my wife, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, this is very simple tutorial. And then if you're using the Google Workspace or formerly named Google Suite, you can also you use spaces. Actually, the spaces and the Google group chat actually are similar purpose, and then not really matter, but I do prefer using spaces because it's using the company's email, so I can separate which one is my family, which one is my work, my jobs to do, and so on. Okay, I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, please put your subscribe below. Thank you for watching.